Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, if you are searching for Hamster Kombat's today's mini game tutorial, then here in this video I am going to share the complete step-by-step guide to solve the mini game puzzle so that you can get extra keys in Hamster Kombat. We all know Hamster Kombat is going to launch very soon, so keep collecting the keys as much as you can and also keep increasing your profit per hour along with the main coin balance as well. Well, if you are new here on this channel, then please subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, then please like it and press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, as you can see on your screen, I am here in my Hamster Kombat account, and now I will show you the complete tutorial, or let's say step-by-step guide to solve today's puzzle and collect one more key. Well guys, I believe you found this video helpful and you have solved this puzzle successfully. So please like this video now and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos, and share this video everywhere to help others. Thanks for watching.